Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, just go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access Google section. Then select Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. In my case, my Facebook one. Enter your current login method and click on this little icon of an eye next to your password to make it visible. So when I do that, as you can see, I can finally check my password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!